Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the meta tags that is very important in the SEO perspective, right? So without this such kind of tags, without you knowing, so you are not able to do the proper SEO. So meta tags are very important for the SEO perspective. Okay, so to specify the keyword, suppose I want to rank this page to some of the keywords. So what you have to specify name keywords and which keywords you want to rank. You need to just mention like this. Okay. Next, we have a document description. So whenever you want, like whenever we do the SEO, so whenever do the Google search, there is a length of description mentioning if you, suppose you are searching for the HTML, and after that there would be a title, then after there would be a long description that comes under the keyword. It is a description. After that, we have a document revision date, when the last time document is updated with the help of the revised attribute and its content. Document refreshing, that is a meta tag that uses specify the duration after which your web page keep refreshing. So for this you need to add HTTP equivalent refresh content after 5 seconds. Okay. After that, we have a page redirection where we will ask the page to reload after some particular time with particular URL, that is HTTP equivalent refresh. If you want to specify which this data belongs to which author, so you need to define the author with the content genre. And the last one that we have the viewport. Viewport basically, if you let's suppose add this one text, right? So on which mobile device it look like. Okay, so if I'm going to add this one here, the where we have the head, all these meta tags will be added in the head, so don't forget to add into the head tag, right? So let's reload this and control shift M. So this is the viewport that is adding. So if I go and inspect this, so you can see that we have a viewport added over here, right? Okay, so this is the viewport basically define about the which mobile device it looks like, right? And the rest of the things we have already discussed. Okay, so these all are the meta tags that we can use to rank our web page to the Google with the help of the HTML meta tags. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment. Any query, just write in the comment section. Have a great day.